Raksha Bandhan is here, and here are my amazing 5 tasty, healthy dessert recipes for all of you so that you can satisfy your sugar cravings along with being healthy and tasty at the very same time. So, for this first recipe, you need to roast all the nuts and some granola. We are making sure these healthy dessert recipes have lots of protein, fiber, making sure of getting you the enough amount of nutrients while having your desserts as well. So here we have rolled oats, some granola. We are just giving them a good roast so that that crunch is there while you are enjoying that dessert as well. I can assure you this is one of my favorite dessert recipes, and whenever I crave for sugar or I crave for something sweet, this is something I really enjoy. Then we have added some chopped almonds and pistachios. Just roast them well and give it like 5 to 10 minutes of roast. Then add a good amount of jaggery. Jaggery is very important natural sugar supplement that can be utilized for making all of your desserts. So here we have used jaggery. Mix them all well together and your crunchy granola mix is ready. Now to make this dessert, all you need to do is serve this when you have let it cool down for about 5-10 minutes with curd or yogurt. If you are lactose intolerant, you can go with vegan yogurt that's readily available in market. And here I am using some curd that I have prepared by adding little bit of honey and cinnamon. It is really tasty and turns out to be one of my favorite recipes. I have just mixed the yogurt well with some honey and cinnamon and then serving this granola with this. This is one of my favorite dessert recipes. Turns out to be really very tasty, and whenever you have any guest arriving, you can serve them this amazing bowl of relish that's sweet, that's tasty, that's crunchy. So yes, one of my favorite recipes to try out. Just make sure that you try and let me know how you like it, because I really enjoy it. I am making these recipes for my lovely brother and making sure that he enjoys it as well. So it has to be tasty. Next important recipe has to be my banana yummy chocolate pudding. It's very simple, very easy to make, like a very quick recipe. Slicing 2 to 3 bananas and just arranging them in a particular trail and then adding a dark chocolate onto it. Dark chocolate is really good for your heart. We aren't adding anything for sweetness. Banana has its own natural sweetness. We are going to utilize that sweetness. We are not going to use any kind of gluten here. Just banana, adding some good amount of dark chocolate onto it, making sure that you get a good amount of antioxidants with this dark chocolate as well. Then topping it with some chopped almonds and this freezing it for about 2 to 3 hours. This pudding would be ready to taste for you and get some great dessert recipe that's very healthy at the very same time. So yes, try it out and let me know. Next up is the viral kulfi trend, that is mango kulfi. Now I'm making it a healthier version. I'm using good amount of curd and yogurt, adding some honey, cinnamon and mixing it well together by adding some nuts, pistachios and almonds. Mix it all well together and your yummy tasty filling with yogurt is ready. Usually what they use in their recipe is milk and then they add some sugar also. I am making a healthier version of it. So yes, I have chopped and taken out the pulp of the mango and then adding the little bit of pulp and this filling that we have made with yogurt or curd. And if you are lactose intolerant, as I said, you can use vegan curd as well. And then top it with good amount of pistachios. Freeze it for about 8 to 9 hours, like overnight, and then have it tomorrow. Next yummy recipe is this easiest white chocolate, but I am giving this a good mix with good amount of nuts like pistachios and some almonds. I'm just mixing white chocolate with these nuts so that we can get good amount of healthy fats, and also it turns out to be one of the tastiest chocolates because nuts when added to any chocolate gives it a good and a good and amazing taste. So yes, we have just added white chocolate and made sure that we are freezing it for about 2 to 3 hours. Actually, it doesn't take that much long. You can actually freeze it about for an hour and then enjoy these chocolates. Next up is my favorite very quick recipe. Again, I am using curd. I'm a big fan of curd and mango together. It turns out to be really tasty. So I'm using the mango pulp. I have just taken the pulp and blended all it together. Then I've added some honey and cinnamon to it, giving it a good mix, and your amazing mango smoothie is ready. You can use almond milk, coconut milk, soy milk along with that as well. That will also go together very well with mango. However, I've used curd to make it a good thick smoothie. You can always use almond milk and give it a good stir, then you'll get the same and a very amazing taste as well. So yes, then I have added some chopped pieces of mango and topped it with some nuts. This is my favorite smoothie in the mango season. You can always do it with apples and bananas or papayas as well. So yes, this is one of my favorite tasty healthy dessert smoothie. So that's all about 5 tasty healthy dessert recipes. I hope you will find it very useful, and do let me know if you try any of them in the comment section below, and also would like to see your recipe pictures on my Instagram handle. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you will find it useful. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay fit, stay happy.